Hi, I'm Bethany, also known as Relove Maui. I do live on the island of Maui, as you might guess from my name, and I'm a clothing reseller. I sell mainly on the Poshmark app, and I also share my journey here on YouTube as well as on my Instagram at Relove Maui. I do a lot of my sourcing on the weekends. I go to a lot of different types of sales and I get a lot of really fun things. I absolutely love it. Some of it is here behind me. And this is my haul from my past weekend. Kind of some highlights from my haul. Actually, there was more, but this is my favorites that I picked out, and I thought I would share those with you now. Oh, okay, this is my rack of fun that I picked out to share with you guys. Some of my favorite things that I picked up this weekend. So I'll just get right into it here, and I colorized this because I'm a nerd like that. So first up is this little crop top. It's kind of a flowy crop top, and it's got little ties at the shoulders, and the brand is Skylar Madison. And next up is a little tank top, and it's got this keyhole cut out here in the front, this wide keyhole. I really actually like this style. I see a lot of sweatshirts like this too, where it's got the kind of the neckband up here, and then it's got the big cutout on the neckline. I really like it, and this is incredibly soft. The brand is Moroni, size large. I actually wasn't super up on this brand, so I got it for the style. It's really cute, and yeah, really soft tank top. I got a bunch of sweaters, and they're not necessarily fancy brands, but they are really nice sweaters, and it's definitely going to be sweater season soon. I'm sure people are starting to look for that kind of stuff for the fall, so I was very excited. I grabbed all of them, and I'm stoked about them, and so here they are. This one's like a cable knit, and I love the back on this one. It's like a very low V back. Would be really cute showing off kind of like a strappy bra maybe, or tank top, and it is Forever 21 size large on that. Really cute. Excellent condition. Next up, I really like this one actually. It's a flowy, very flowy sweater, kind of like a tunic, open front, and it's very loose weave knit, cream color. And the brand is American Eagle Outfitters, size large. Definitely like this. One of my favorite pieces actually was this. And next up is like a poncho style sweater, and this is very nubby, like textured fabric. It's really cool, and it's got a kangaroo pocket, really wide fit, flowy. It's hooded, and it's Forever 21. It's labeled size small, but it's definitely could fit a variety of sizes. It's pretty flowy fit there. And next up is just a little Roxy hoodie. Kind of like a tan color, kangaroo pocket, just a popover style, so it only zips down to the top of the pocket. And next up, I actually was not up on this brand, and I am now. Gymshark. I guess it's a workout line. I usually am pretty familiar with most workout lines. I buy a lot of workout clothes, but had not heard of this one until now. It's really good quality. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I've got to look this up and see, because I had a feeling about it, and it really is. They feel very solid, very good quality. Kind of cool little cutouts here on the legs. These are just really cute. I couldn't find a size. I put small in the listing because they're just not they're very small. They're very tiny, and I think that anyone besides a small, I think they would be too small. So yeah, I listed them as a small on Poshmark. And next up is a Lucky Brand blouse, and this is kind of a red and black. Really pretty print, I thought. I got quite a few Lucky Brand things too, and this is a size large too. I got lucky with finding some larger sizes at these sales, which is not always the case, so happy about that. Little drawstrings here, or not really drawstrings, but just like ties at the neck. Next up, another Lucky Brand. This is a t-shirt, long sleeved, and it's kind of a bandana inspired print. I thought it was cute, kind of boho. This next one is beautiful. It's so pretty. It's got pink and red print, sheer Lucky Brand blouse, tie at the neck again. Just really pretty. Very sheer though, and a large on that also. And this next sweater, the brand's nothing in particular, but it's just a really cool color pattern, I thought, and stripe. So yeah, stripes there, some like nice orange red, nice colors there. The brand is Ashley, and it's a size small. Next up is a Cabi dress. This is a square tie Cabi, so newer Cabi style, and it's going to be kind of a purplish actually in black, little V tab in the neckline there. Just a nice classic dress, size medium. Oh, this next piece is really cute. It's a jumper, a full-length jumper, so kind of wider legs on this guy, and fitted waist, super deep V neckline. This is going to be on someone very petite. It's a size small, and it's definitely meant for someone with a smaller bust, a little smaller build, but it's really cute. Blue and white stripes. Love this piece. It's from Mahina, which is a Maui boutique here, or a Hawaii boutique, I should say. It's not just on Maui. And they have a really cute stuff. It's not high end, but it's definitely definitely really cute stuff. You can see their logo there, and I get a lot of their stuff just because there's so much of it here. But little tie on the back of the neck. That's really, really cute. I love jean jackets. I love distressed denim. This is totally up my alley. I love it. It is a size extra small, so I have to be someone very petite. But lots of distressing on this guy. Love it a lot. Oh, this next piece is one of my favorite thrifted items I've ever found in my entire life. I love, love, love this. I found it at a sale this weekend too, and it was the only thing I got at that particular sale, but it was worth it because I love this. So it's suspenders on the top, and then some kind of like wide leg cropped jeans. And the brand is actually, at first I wasn't sure what it was. It's Adriano Goldschmied, and I don't know if this is vintage or if it's vintage inspired. It's Agolde is the actual brand or line. And it's just so cool. The suspenders have these leather trim pieces on them, like these leather tabs. It's just so, so cool. I've just rarely do you stumble across something quite this unique. I really, as soon as I saw this, I was so excited. So yeah, kind of wider leg, kind of a cropped length on those pants too. I can just picture somebody really rocking this. And it's a size 27. Yeah. Okay, next top, Torrid. I don't find Torrid super often here. But yeah, I found this. It's a crochet top, blue. Really pretty, totally sheer. You'd have to wear something under it. But yeah, Torrid, size 3 on that. So that's, that's plus sizing. So that would be a 3X. And yeah, just beautiful, almost like a crochet lace top. This next dress is really, really cute. I don't know if I'll be able to do it justice here when you can't see the full length, but it's a high-low dress, and just pretty blue. It's really pretty. I'm not 100% sure how to say this brand. Cupio, maybe? Size medium. Tempted to keep this one, but I did not. I'll sell it. So it's actually kind of this is what I really like too. It's got kind of like a shirt tail type of hem and high-low. It's really, really cute. I mean, I could keep it, but I don't need it. I should sell it. Okay, next up is Eileen Fisher. This is just an Eileen Fisher little simple dress. I'm not doing everything Eileen Fisher anymore, but I feel like it did better for me on eBay than Posh, but in my eBay days, which are not with us anymore. But yeah, it's Eileen Fisher and kind of a navy blue. It kind of looks washed out on here, but it's actually in good shape. And it is just a simple, classic knit dress. Next up, I love American Eagle jeans. I always grab them when I see them, particularly distressed skinnies, which these are. And I got a bunch of pairs of these actually at this same sale. She had mostly size 12s, a couple of 14s, I think. I'm listed all these already on my Poshmark, so you can see them there. But there's a bunch of size 12s, and these are both size 12. So these are distressed and kind of the jegging style of American Eagle jeans. And then there's another pair. These are really similar, but these are cropped. So just kind of a shorter length and a lighter wash. Also the jegging style. And then I've got several more pairs of 12s and I think a pair or two of 14s. So yeah, definitely check those out if you are that size and you like American Eagle jeans like I do. Okay, next up is a just tailored dress. So this is a really, really pretty dress. Be great for work or a dressy occasion. So it's a little belted dress, kind of an A-line skirt. And it's kind of a lilac pink color, I would say, the background. And perfect, excellent condition. It looks like it was never worn. So beautiful dress. Zipper in the back there. And next up is a little blazer, kind of a raspberry color. This is new with tags. And, it looks like it was, at one time it was $74, marked to $44. So, I'm not sure what the original store was that it was sold at. But anyway, the brand is Mural. And it says art has no boundaries, and size large. Open front blazer, really, really cute. Great for making a professional outfit pop. Looks like kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve on that. And one more Lucky Brand top here. I love this one because it has a lotus flower on the front. I love lotus flowers, so that's just really pretty, I think. And it's a size medium, purple. Next up, an American Eagle sweater again. This is a kind of a flowy open front sweater with some little pockets and really cute trim. It's got like kind of a lace up pattern on the back here, which I think is really cool. And it's really, really soft. It's gray, the size is large, American Eagle, and yeah, a little classic sweater. One more sweater here, and it's an H&M, size small. It does have a tie, which I'll show you in a second, but it's like an open front, kind of a ribbed, pretty, almost like a small cable knit, and excellent condition on this too. Yeah, there you can see the tie, which can wrap all the way around if you want it to, and kind of cinch the waist for you. Kind of a darker gray on that. This next one is a Guess jacket, and it's belted, and it is a size large, but it's definitely not a women's large, unless it just runs very, very small. So I think it's probably a kids or youth large. I actually listed it on Posh under women's just because I think it could definitely fit a woman's like size small. I tried it on. I'm a medium, and it was a little tight on me, so I would say a small would probably fit this best. Or you could, you know, do it for a kid that wears a size large. It's got a little Guess pin on there too, which you could take off if you didn't like it. And then it's got a kind of a wide collar and then a hood, like a fleece-lined hood on the back. This next one's really cute. It's I love tie-dye. It's a tie-dye fringe tank top. It's incredibly soft. Happening in the Present is the brand. I don't know if it's got a size listed here. Let's see. I'm not gonna spend too much time looking. Yeah, size medium. Size medium on the tank top. Cute little fringy tank. Yeah, just so soft. Okay, this next piece I was really excited to find because I hadn't seen this before. It's an H&M Plus dress, and I'm really stoked they have a plus size line. I know the Forever 21 plus sizes really seem to sell well for me, and yeah, so I was excited to find this. So H&M Plus, the size is 24 US, so really cool there. I was really, really pleased with this. It's kind of a flowy dress, and it's got these kind of like bell sleeves too, so very cute. Excellent condition. Oh, and it's also got this cool keyhole in the back, which I thought was really nice. Yeah. Oh, this next one is one of my favorites. So it's a Topshop dress, and it's a little hard to show because the pattern is so is so busy, but it's a wrap style dress. So it's got a little wrap around here, and then really delicate. It's got this little tie at the back, very small ruffle around the neck, and it's cold shoulder. Yeah, it's just really, really cool. Really cute dress, and I think it's a size 4. Yeah, US 4 Topshop. Okay, last couple items here of the clothing at least. So this is a DKNY blouse. It's a cold shoulder also, so it's got some little sleeves there, and then the cold shoulder style. It feels looks like silk, but it's polyester, so treating it will be easy. Yeah, DKNY, and I have it listed as a size small. It is not size. There's no size tag, so I had to kind of measure and guess. But it's yeah, I'd say it's a small. It doesn't seem quite like a medium, so I would say small to medium. Next up is a pair of men's board shorts, and these are Hurley, the Phantoms. I know these are very popular. I know a lot of guys that wear these. So they're really in pretty good shape. The only thing, the Phantom logo here is a little bit worn, but besides that, they're in really good condition. So men's Hurley Phantom board shorts. All right, so that's kind of it for the clothes highlights that I wanted to show. And then there's a bag here that I actually got this last week, and I missed it on my haul last week. So it's a big Buddha bag. So they make really cool kind of faux like vegan leather accessories. So this is a bag from them. So it's a faux leather big Buddha bag, and it's got like sparkle. It's got like this kind of faux leather outside, and then a sparkly layer behind it. So it's got a really cool effect. You can see kind of how it looks. Excellent condition too. So this is actually not up in my Poshmark closet yet, but it will be soon. And then I got a few pieces of jewelry. I'm kind of starting to mess with jewelry a little bit again. I used to, and I haven't really done much of it in the recent days since I've been back. But a few necklaces here. This one is a long chain necklace, and then it's got this little kind of like tassel design here. Really cute. So that's the original tag on it. So no brand listed, but just really cute. And then this is a collar style necklace, silver. No brand on this one either. Just a really cute style. Kind of a shorter collar style necklace. And then another collar style necklace here. This one is Express. So it's got the Express tag on it. So it's got some little stones there. And then collar style, gold tone. And then last one, this is Lucky Brand. I really like this one. It's like a ladder style necklace with the metal fringe there, and then a long chain, and then it's got the little Lucky logo. Yeah, so that is it for my haul, for my featured items from my haul. So thanks for sticking with me for that, and I enjoy checking out you guys' hauls also. So yeah, such fun. I love it. Thank you so much for following along with me here. I love seeing all your sourcing videos and seeing what you pick out and what you find when you go shopping at all your different venues, and hopefully you enjoy this as well. I do get clothing a lot of different ways, but the garage sale, estate sale, rummage sale scene is one of my favorites. You really never know what you're gonna find, and it's a real mixed bag, which I absolutely love. So I'd love to continue sharing my journey with you here and follow your journey. Please follow me on Instagram and on Poshmark, both at Relove Maui. Leave me a note so I know who you are. I'd love to follow you back and know where you found me. So follow me and have a wonderful day. Aloha.